Okay, let's go over how to put the SkiErg together with the optional floor stand. So when you unbox it, it usually comes like this. Lift up this box right here. See the C2 flywheel, all the tools, and the SkiErg itself. So let's go ahead and lay everything out. So to actually put the SkiErg together, you have a set of these screws, and then you have a separate wall mounting hardware. But we're using the floor stand, so we don't need this. So this is actually all that you need. So you're just screwing these pieces together to start building the SkiErg. And we're going to do that by putting the arms in first. Check the sticker on each arm to see where it's marked. So this is the left arm. You can see right there, have the left arm, 2 screws right there in the front, 2 in the back. Repeat the process with the right, and then you're going to add that center mount. So let's go ahead and get that in first. Repeat with the right arm, and you can see right there, it is marked right arm. Both arms are in, and you have 4 screws in the back, but before we do that, we're actually going to mount the top piece that goes across the side. And you can see you have 2 slots there, 2 slots there. So again, another 4 screws, put in this center piece, and then we're going to come back, turn this around, and add the 4 in the back. I did the top screw on both sides before doing the bottom. That way you're still able to move this around as needed to get it into place. So now we're going to go ahead and do the bottom screws. Okay, so now we have our mat. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at the mount, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So from the underside, you're going to put these 4 pieces with these right inside. Alright, so it's turned over. We're taking 2 of the long screws and putting them on the edges for now. Alright, so from the back, you actually had 2 of these screws on the SkiErg. I pulled them out. I put the first one here, second one here. I need to put 2 more here, so you're attaching it to this floor plate on your floor stand. Once the SkiErg is secured, you need to clamp down on these 2 sides and those 2 sides as well, using the longer screw with a washer. So let's go ahead and do that. So the SkiErg is attached, and what we're going to do now is add that last little plate or the little bar to the floor mat. So screw 1, screw 2, both attached. So now we're going to go to the back. From the back of the SkiErg, you're putting this on, screwing it right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that will be the end of this assembly.